Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the market itself and make my daily commentary about it. First up, I'm going to talk about the American market. American market has just yet go downside from 6,760 and tried to go back and it didn't. But there is a Fed meeting wait for us. We're going to see what's going to be Powell say about it today. We know he going to be the same. The interest rate is the same value what was before, but which is more important, what it's going to be say today. So this is not going to be the just delude us. Delude mean don't get quickly be feared or FOMO. Do not do anything with the Fed meeting. We just need to wait and see what's going to be Powell say. And tomorrow we are going to look at the markets and we are going to make our decide. So today is not a good day for to make a decision. So just forget this candle. Maybe he will going to say a bullish thing and this candle will be go up. Nobody knows what's going to be he's going to say. But he is more likely makes the market going to be tense. He's always make tense the market. He's constantly doing this. Maybe sometimes he does not, but more often he's going to do that. So we will going to see what's going to happen. But I will have to say to you this about the American market. The American market has an AI story. So that AI story not yet been fulfilled yet. So I'm not selling my stocks in the American market. You will decide what you're going to do with your market, but I am not selling it. And then I bought at the Friday from this level. I'm just waiting. We are investment. We are not a speculator. We are not a manipulator. Maybe we do speculation sometimes, but we are not chasing 1%, 2%, 3%. We are not chasing them. We are chasing 10, 15%. We are swing traders and investors, and we are waiting for the story of the S&P 500. With the gold, the situation in the gold is not good right now. It's gone below the 5,000 level and it break the Fibonacci level. We are just waiting for the Powell to say what's going to be happening in the market. But right now, situation in the gold is not good because it hit the Fibonacci level and break it. So I do not suggest it at the moment. I don't suggest the silver neither because it doesn't seem so technically good well enough. At the moment, maybe it can be go back through the 71 level. There's maybe a 10% gap through here, but there's a positive divergence in here. We just need to see this have to be make a return for the say to call a positive divergence for the technicals. This situation in the Bitcoin, yes, the important stuff. Bitcoin has going very well. What happened today? The first one, Fed meeting, and there's a lot of leverages has been entered this market, and markets and maybe the institutions are just maybe a little bit more liquidate their positions. So candle, if it's not going to be go below the $7,000 this side, if it's not going to be go below that, this is not a problem for the moment, and there's an increasing trend through here. So I'm optimistic about Bitcoin. I'm holding my Bitcoin that I bought. There's no much a problem for the Bitcoin, for my opinion, at the moment. Just don't be fearful at the moment. Just wait for the Fed meeting. Maybe with the Fed meeting, it can be go below the 70,000 and even the Kaufman moving average, as you can see through here. Do not be panicked at that moment because I believe it will be go and hit this level 82, 81, 80. We will go to the 80 levels, I believe it. The Ethereum, the same thing. It went up more and going down more. So I wouldn't suggest it. Well, I will suggest for the new buy, but I'm optimistic about the features of the cryptocurrencies. But for the new buy, I do not suggest that. We just need to go and see what's happening in the market. XRP, but the situation in XRP is not very good because yes, this is an altcoin. There's more or less volume in it and it can be make a more speculative moves. But I can say you this, it went below the Kaufman moving average. So even if tomorrow it won't be go up, maybe it's too late for the stop loss. So XRP is dangerous. It didn't go up very well if we are going to compare it for like AVAX holding stronger than the XRP. So if it's going to be happening in the cryptocurrencies, maybe it's too late for the stop loss for the XRP. So if the cryptocurrencies will be go up, there's not much a problem for the altcoins. Maybe you will have to be considered to change your altcoin XRP maybe with AVAX or Fed. I do not know if the situation in the cryptocurrencies will be bad, but I don't think it will be that big happen. It will be a very catastrophic. It could be XMR. The XMR just didn't go very well. That's not going down very much. So it's in the same position like Monday, in the same thing. We're just waiting for the Fed meeting. So there's not much a problem at the moment. The money has to be go out from the Bitcoin and then the Ethereum, and then it will be enter the Monero. And we are just waiting for it. The AVAX. AVAX is above the Fibonacci level and above the Kaufman moving average. I'm very optimistic about the AVAX because I think it will be go up really much, like an XRP. So just wait, we will going to see what's going to happen. If you are holding it, I am also a holder of AVAX. I didn't sold my AVAX at the moment. I'm just telling what I am doing. I'm holding the AVAX and I have a significant amount of AVAX and FET. Yes, the FET pumped up really much. Look through here, 70%, and it gone down like only 10%. This is normal. People who bought the FET just realizing their profits at the moment. So I do not suggest you to sold your FET, because I believe there is a AI hype going to be happening in the markets, and within that AI hype, I believe FET coin will be hit $2 level, and we're going to see what's going to be happen, because the $2 level within the inflation in the FET is the 3.5 level. It's all-time high. This is right now the $2 level at the moment. So I'm holding my FET. I'm not selling it. Do not be panicked. We just went up really good, and this is just a profit selling at the moment, and there's a positive divergence occurring from here. There's not much a problem at the moment. I say in the bottom, in the top side we cannot see it because there's not much red candle anymore. So thank you for watching my video. See you all.